Welcome to Helmut Fischer. Today I will be introducing the Ferrite Scope FMP30. This is the casing the Ferrite Scope will come in, which includes the accessories you need for calibration and data transfer. The Ferrite Scope is a portable instrument with a range of probes to reliably determine ferrite content on site, even in hard-to-reach areas. Also, it has data transfer abilities where measurement data can be transferred to the PC and evaluated. First, connect a probe. The FGAB 1.3 FE is capable of measuring both delta ferrite content and alpha martensite content in steel substrates on flat and curved areas. Next, turn on the instrument. The instrument will prompt you to display ferrite content as ferrite percentage or ferrite number. In this case, I chose ferrite number. Following that, the instrument will initiate a normalization. Measure the base 5 times. The normalization is complete. If you would like to perform the normalization again, press 0 and repeat the same steps. Next, I will perform a calibration. Measure the base 5 times. Next, measure the calibration standard with the lowest ferrite number 5 times. Adjust the nominal value of the calibration standard. Next, repeat the same steps for the remaining calibration standards with increasing ferrite concentration. The calibration is complete. This is the end of part 1. Next, we have part 2 on Ferrite Scope features such as specification limits and block sizes.